being a filmmaker is that you can change the narrative of the story and redirect attention to ideas or alternative viewpoints, or highlight an issue or capture something others rarely see. As my technical expertise has grown, as has my confidence, creating bold stories with bolder messages not only an art, but a science. In my efforts to influence decision makers following the flood disasters in the Northern Rivers, I have recognized the importance of connection, community, and communication, and the need to absolutely have built this network prior to needing it. My name is Rachel Quilty, and as an emerging filmmaker, I have been fortunate that my production management ability, assistant director abilities have not only grown my reputation, but that of our region's film and screen industry. My aim is to rebuild my business and contribute to the rebuilding of the Northern Rivers region. With a corporation in the US, United States, I'm seeking to promote my services in the US and capture a greater market in filming brand moments and brand stories, and ensuring that production is done within Australia. As social media, stories and reels are building personal brands and professional profiles, visual storytelling is increasingly professional and an emerging opportunity for film professionals. And I, for one, would like to leverage the expertise within the Northern Rivers and ensure that we build an incredible short film reputation. I would like to thank Screenworks as well as Australians in Film for supporting regional Australia and the filmmakers of the future.